Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Snowshoe hares change color based on daylight, but we need a scientific control to prove it. Let's solve this biology experiment question together right now. To determine if changes in daylight truly cause the molting, we must isolate that specific variable. A proper control group is essential to compare against our experimental group of hares. This ensures that any observed changes in the fur color are actually caused by the shifting light periods rather than other environmental factors like temperature or food availability in the lab. Option B serves as a control by keeping daylight constant. This allows researchers to verify their hypothesis accurately. You solved this tricky science problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given data to find the control.